What's up guys, welcome to the Hardwin82 channel. I'm Adam and today we're gonna talk about how to open your front door with your cell phone. If you wanna know something about that, stay tuned. Alright guys, so recently I had the pleasure to see something in action because some of you might know that I love tech. I never seen this before, so I thought I'm gonna make a quick video about that. Maybe you would like to have something like this in your house, office or whatever. So yeah, recently I went to a small vacation. I went to Greece, and one of the hotels, instead of giving me a key to my room, or instead of giving me one of those magnetic cards, the owner of the hotel asked me to install an app in my phone, and from that point I will be able to open any door in the hotel, like, you know, enter into the building, my room, and what was quite interesting, even the elevator. So without that you're not able to move around, you're not able to open, you know, the doors. So I was very interested how that works, so I will show you now. So after installing this special app, the only thing you need to have is Bluetooth on, and like you can see, I'm just putting my phone next to this reader, and voila, the door is open. Now I'm calling the elevator. The same principle. You need to put your phone next to this receiver. From that point the access is available. I'm choosing my floor. I'm going. Entering the hallway. What I've noticed, sometimes this device, because it's a Bluetooth technology, usually Bluetooth is around few meters, but in this case depends from the door. Like I'm entering my room, I need to be very close. In the hallway that was working from bigger distance. So I was very interested what I need to do to have something like this in my house. For example, Yale company, very famous in UK, it's actually having such a device in their offer. Just have a look at their website. This device, or we should say smart lock, is giving you ability to open the door many ways. So you have like a master key, just stick in the normal key in any case. If that is necessary, you can enter the PIN number. You can use the cell phone with a Bluetooth technology, or even you can use one of those smart watches. Like you can see on the picture, every activity is recorded, so you as the admin have access to that, so you know exactly who and when entered the building. So the only thing you need to do after installing such a door is connect to internet, install an app on your phone, and that's it, job done. Auto locking and unlocking, which is super handy. Just imagine you're in the rush in the morning, you just grab your few belongings, you want to go to work, you just close the door behind you. You don't think about locking because this device will automatically recognize that you are not in the close proximity, and the door will be automatically locked. And then you coming back with your groceries or whatever, and you just open the door without doing anything. Great feature. Like I mentioned, activity monitoring, so you know exactly who, when, what. You can set up guest access, like for example, you have a small porch in the house, you can give access to the delivery man to enter the porch and leave the parcel. Awesome stuff.
Ready for a smarter, more secure front door? With the Yale Smart Locks range connected by Yale Access, your phone can now be your key. Available in a number of styles, control and monitor your door from anywhere by using the Yale Access app on your phone. Securely unlock and lock your door even when you're away from home. There's no need to pull your phone out of your pocket or enter your code. The door automatically unlocks and locks. And if you forget your phone or your phone battery dies, unlock using your entry code on the keypad.
I'm just looking how much that costs. I think you need to buy a bundle. So you have a lock, you have a smart keypad, you have those small bits and pieces. So I think we are talking about a few £100, few $100, and you are ready to go. Obviously you need to install that in your door, So if you're a DIY guy, you can do it yourself, but you can also hire someone to do that. For example, I found something on Amazon. It cost only $100. It has the same principle, Bluetooth connectivity and working with Alexa. So this whole fun starts from $100 to a few $100s, and you can have what those fancy hotels have these days. But guys, every story, every technology, everything has two sides. So you need to be aware of the second side of this coin. Do you really want something like this in your house? If you ask me, I would say no. It is very handy, yes. It's super convenient, yes. Giving you new abilities like access to certain rooms, certain areas in your house, for certain people like a delivery guy or guests. Yes, yes, and yes. Maybe you are renting out a flat, a house, bungalow. Great, this is great, but I would never install something like this in my house for simple reason. I'm not saying this is easy to hack, but for convenience you're paying price in different way. In theory, you can give very easy access to the hacker. I don't know if you watch Mr. Robot, that famous TV series from a few years back. There is this scene, and the woman was hacked in her house. The whole house was full of smart devices, and she was basically fucked. She couldn't do anything in her own house. Just have a look at this. So she's entering their house with her watch. She has a panel to control all those devices in her house. Suddenly the telly is on with the volume and everything. She's surprised, okay, how the fuck that happened. Again, another touch screen to control all those devices, so probably she's just pressing a few buttons like you see, yes. Suddenly someone is playing with her lights, the music is on, lights. Now she has a problem with a shower, the temperature is way too hot, aircon is blasting to the full. Again, music, lights, everything is playing, television is on and off. So yeah, I'm against things like this. I love technology, but sometimes too much is basically too much. I'd rather have ability to just press the button on the wall and turn the lights off or on. I don't want to be dependent on technology, because I don't know if you've seen those videos, how easy these days is to steal the car. For example, those brand new, very fancy, super expensive Range Rovers. I'm gonna show you something. Just have a look at this shit. Someone is approaching your car without the keys, nothing. He just needs basically, I don't know, 20 seconds to do that. The whole idea is just to, because everything is wireless these days, he just hijacked the signal from your key, which is digital these days, act like a cell phone, so sending some signals, receiving a signal. Opening the door like it is his own car. You see the whole video is 1 minute long. That's it. Job done. Or even better, have a look at this. Rolls-Royce. All those fancy cars full of electronics, those smart devices, supposed to be, like I said, convenient and easy to use, super friendly for the user, but they are also friendly for hackers. Yeah, the whole situation is like a 30 seconds, your car is gone. So the same might happen with your own house if you're not careful. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. Thank you, and I shall see you next time. Thank you, bye.